O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us. Fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, Lord. How are you all?
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
Fine.
I'm fine.
Very good, very good. Okay, good. So we discussed in the last class the flat figures. The flat figures are, Asher, tell me which are the flat figures. Asher, tell me the flat figures names.
Square,
Huh.
rectangle,
Yes,
triangle,
yes.
circle,
Very good, very good. Hanna Maria, once again, please tell me the names of flat figures. Hanna?
square,
Yes.
rectangle, triangle, circle.
Circle. Okay, good. So there are 4 flat figures. And we discussed last day about circle. And circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, circle has no sides and no corners. Kevin, name one object having the shape of a circle. Name one object having the shape of a circle, Kevin.
10 rupee.
10 rupee coin. We have 10 rupee note and coins.
Sir, coin. 10 rupees coin. Anna. How are you? Friends, a circle don't have an edge. A circle don't have a side. It only have one curved edge. I Banu. Hi, Banu. Hi. Hi, Hannah. Hi. Banu.
വിചാരിക്കുമ്പോ ക്രോസിനകത്ത് ഇരിക്കണതാ കാണുന്നത് പെൻസിലും സ്കെയിലും റബ്ബറും എടുത്ത് ഉപദേശം വെക്കും.
Hi, Anirudh. Hi, Kevin. Hi, Anirudh. Joanna. Hi. Hi. Hi, Hannah. Joanna. Milena. Hi. Hi, Milena.
So we are talking about the flat figures, and we have four flat figures, and they are rectangle, square, circle, and triangle. Okay, good. Now we have today we are going to learn a new topic. It's solid figures. Okay, solid figures. We learned in the previous classes about the flat figures. Flat figures are two-dimensional figures we can draw in a paper. Okay, two-dimensional means they have two measurements. We'll study later. They have length and breadth, something like that. But a three-dimensional means they have three measurements. Length is there, breadth is there, and height is there. Three-dimensional figures. So these three-dimensional figures we are studying today, solid figures. Solid figures. Okay. Now I will show you some solid figures today. That means, did you see this? Can you see my hand? Can you see my hand? See, it's a cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Okay, you can see all its faces square shape. Here also square. Here also square. Here also square. Here also square. Top also we can see square. Bottom also we can see square. Okay, this shape we call it as cube. I will give you one example. See, you may be seeing this Rubik's cube. No, Rubik's cube. Rubik's cube has the shape of a cube. Rubik's cube has the shape of a cube. Crescendo, listen here. A Rubik's cube has the shape of a cube. See, both are same, no? Both are same. Is it clear? So Rubik's cube having the shape of a cube. Whole faces are square shapes. Square shapes. But square speciality, all sides are equal. So this cube, all faces, this people say face, this surface, we call it as face. All faces are squares. All faces are squares. The name of this shape is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. I will show you some other object having the shape of a cube. Listen here, let me share the screen. So today we are going to learn solid figures. S-O-L-I-D, solid figures. F-I-G-U-R-E-S, solid figures. Solid figures are three-dimensional figures. We can use straight lines and curved lines for drawing. Okay, for drawing. For drawing solid figures, we can use see, we can use straight lines and curved lines. See, did you see this object? What is the object? Emmanuel Shindo, what is this object? Did you see this object anywhere? It's a dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Okay. Now let us see another object. Deva, what about this? What about this? What is the object? Name the object. What is this? What is this? Rubik's cube. Yes, it is Rubik's cube. Okay. Now let us see another object. See, this also a gift box. This also a gift box. This also having the shape of a cube. C-U-B-E, cube. I will write the spelling here. C-U-B-E, cube. Okay. Now let us see what is this shape. Let us see what is this shape. See, this is a cube structure. Okay, this is a cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Now, cubes, all faces are squares. Cubes, all faces are squares. Cube-like objects we can see dice, D-I-C-E, dice. Another one, Rubik's cube. Another one, gift box. Okay, this also having the shape of a cube. Now, how we will draw a cube? How we will draw a cube? I will show you. We already discussed, no? All its faces are squares. All the faces are squares. So how we will draw? Now listen here. Look at the screen. See, we will draw one square. First of all, we will draw a one square. Okay. Now, from the inside of the first one, we will draw another square. Okay. Yes. Now, what is the next step? We know there are corners, no? There are corners for a square. How many corners are there? How many corners are there? Milena, how many corners? Very good. 4 corners are there. So we can see for the first square, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second square, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will join the corners. See, I am joining these two, these two, these two, these two. Now I got the shape of a cube. Okay, understood? So, first solid figure, that is cube, C-U-B-E, cube, very simple, C-U-B-E, cube. Cube-like object we can see here. First one is a dice, dice having the shape of a cube. Now, Rubik's Cube, another example for cube-like object. Okay, another one, a gift box. Gift box is also here, we can see, having the shape of a cube. Okay, now, Banu Lakshana, what is the spelling of cube? Tell me, what is the spelling of cube? Ah,
C-U-B-E.
very good. Nania, tell me the spelling cube.
C-U-B-E.
Very good. Sahiha, tell me the spelling cube. Sahiha, tell me the spelling cube. Unmute and tell me, my dear. Spelling. Unmute the device and tell me what is the spelling of cube. You are telling, but I can't hear. It's okay. Sarang, unmute and tell me the spelling. Cube.
C-U-B-E.
Mother
Cube.
Krishna, tell me the spelling cube. Mother Krishna, tell me the spelling cube. Mother, listen here. Where are you going? Tell me the spelling cube.
C-U-B-E.
Very good. Priya
C-U-B-E.
Deepak, tell me the spelling cube. Tell me the spelling cube. Ah,
C-U-B-E.
very
Cube.
good. Rashin, tell me the spelling. Rashin, tell me the spelling cube.
C-U-B.
Very good. Akshat, tell me the spelling cube. Yeah.
C-U-B-E.
Very good. Abel Soni, tell me the spelling cube. Abel Soni. Ah,
C-U-B-E.
C-U-B-E, cube. Now, let me ask you another question. Listen here. Now, Rayan Sandeep, tell me name of an object having the shape of a cube. Having the shape of a cube. One object. Rubik's cube. Very good, very good. Now, Kevin Joy, another object having the shape of a cube. Tell me, other than Rubik's cube.
Gift box.
Ah, gift box. Very good. Abel, unmute and tell me another object having the shape of a cube. We have
Dice.
dice. Very good, very good. Now you got the shape of the cube. What is the shape of the cube? You got it? Yes. So we have cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Cubes, all faces are squares. All faces are squares. We can see dice is an example. Rubik's cube is an example. Gift box is also an example. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Cube, solid figure cube is clear? If it is clear, please take notebook. If it is clear, please take notebook. Take fast. Take a fresh page. Take a fresh page. Okay. Now at the top you can write solid figures. SOLID. 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 Solid figures. FIGURES. Solid figures. SOLID. 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 Figures. 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 Solid figures. Now, today we discuss the first solid figure. That is, what's the name of the solid figure we discussed just now? What's the name? Cube. Tell me the spelling. Tell me the spelling cube. What is spelling of cube?
C-U-B-E.
Very good.
C-U-B-E.
C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. See here you have to identify the shape. That is the main thing. Only you have to identify. If anyone asks what is the shape of this object, you have to identify the shape. No need to by heart to draw the cube or spelling. Nothing is. You have to identify the shape. Identification is very important here. Identify the shape. So the first one we discussed today, that is cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. See, after the class you have to write and study the spelling cube 5 times in the ref book. Okay. C-U-B-E. Cube. Now let's draw the picture of a cube. Are you ready? Let's draw the picture of a cube.
Ready, ma'am?
Yes. Now how we will draw the picture of a cube? We will draw first of all a square. So all of you please draw a square. Square, all sides are equal. It's very important. All sides are equal for a square. All sides are equal for a square. Now we will draw one more square. We will draw one more square, that we will start from the inside of the first one. Inside, inner part, inside. So we can draw one more square starting from here. Okay, one more square, please draw. We know for a square there are 4 corners. Just we can mark the corners and easy to join the corners. No? So we can mark the corners. Now what is the next step? We are joining the corners. We are joining the corners. Let's join. So here we can join, here we can join, here we can join, here we can join. So we got the shape of a cube. We got the shape of a cube. Now let us write one example. One names object name having the shape of a cube. Giovanni, tell me one object having the shape of a cube. Just now only we saw 2, 3 objects now having the shape of a cube. Tell me one name. Giovanni, that is spelling. C-U-B-E. Can you name one object? Name of one object. What is this? See, Giovanni, what is this? What is object? Name the object. Giovanni, name the object. What is this? It's a Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube is an example. Dice is an example. Gift box is an example. So we can write here one example. And Rubik's Cube. Dice. D-I-C-E. Dice. Another one. Rubik's Cube. R-U-B-I-K. Apostrophe S. C-U-B-E. Rubik's Cube. All of you please write. Example, dice, comma, Rubik's Cube. Dice is an example. Rubik's Cube is also an example for cube shape object. Cube shape object. Cube, all the faces are squares. So when you draw, you have to draw the square. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Dean, you have completed? Ah.
I'm just joining.
Oh, just join only. Okay. Then you, it's okay. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. It's okay. So you don't worry. I will send it in the group also. You don't worry. See, Dean, listen here. Listen. You understood the concept. That means cube. Today we are studying about the solid figures. In that, the solid figures we just talk about the cube. Okay. So join late. Please listen here. It says it's an model of a cube, okay, and one object having the shape of a cube is Rubik's cube. Rubik's cube is an example, okay, Dean. Rubik's cube is an example, dice is an example, a gift box is an example, okay. Okay. Now everyone completed the example completed.
Yes,
Okay, right. Okay.
no, ma'am.
Kate Krishna completed.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Seraphin, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
can I what?
I should share the screen.
Finish.
Yes, I will share the screen. So we have cube. First one is a cube. Cube having the shape of a dice. Dice having the shape of a cube. Or Rubik's cube having the shape of a cube. Cube, so all faces are squares. All faces are squares. Square means all the sides are equal. First solid figure we are discussing today is cube. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube.
Ma'am, Kevin. Ma'am, Kevin.
Yes, Kevin completed. Very good. Okay. Now, okay, Rayan Sandhi, very good. Now,
Finish.
very good. Able Sony, very good. I can see
I'm
9.
finished.
Okay, please listen here. Listen here. Keep it down. The book and the pencil, keep it down. Now, we have one more today. We are simply studying its shape and name only. So, one more I am taking today. That is this shape. See? This shape. Okay, this we call it as cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Can you name any object having the shape of a cone? Any one object having the shape of a cone?
Happy birthday. Ice cream.
Ice cream cone. Very good. Ice cream cone. Yes. Anna is showing. See, listen. Hanna is showing her birthday cap. Okay, so birthday cap is an example for cone shape object. Very good, Hannah. Good, very good. Okay, cone shape object. You can see at the top a vertex, a corner, and at bottom also you can see a circular face. Both. You have both. Very good. Cube is also there. Cone is also there. Very good. See, look at the screen. She's having both cube and cone. Cube example, Rubik's cube. Cone example, birthday cap. Very good. Okay. Now let us see some more examples. Let me share the screen. See? You can see this toy. Do you have this? You may be seeing in LKG classes, no? This is having the shape of a cone. Then another one, see? Ice cream, no? Ice cream cone. Ice cream cone having the shape of a cone. See, this also having the shape of a cone. Okay. Now, what about this? What is this? What is this? It's a Christmas
Christmas
tree.
tree.
It's a Christmas tree having the shape of a corn. Now, what is this? Birthday cap.
Birthday cap.
Birthday cap having the shape of a corn. Now let us see CONE. Very simple, no? CONE, corn. CONE, corn. Sarang, unmute and tell me the spelling. Sarang, unmute and tell me the spelling. Corn. What is the spelling? Corn.
CONE.
Very
Corn.
good, very good, very good. See, you can see the outline of a corn sheep. See, CONE, corn. CONE, corn. Now, let me ask Abhimanyu, what is the spelling? Corn. What is the spelling? Corn. Unmute and tell me. I can't hear. Corn. Very good, very good, very good. How we will draw the shape of a corn? We will draw the two sides of a triangle. Two sides of a triangle. Then at the bottom we will draw a, what we will draw at the bottom? Bottom is circular shape. So we will draw a circle. Okay. We will draw a circle. So we can see the corn shape object, that is Christmas tree. Then this we will use in race and all. Ice cream cone. Then this toy also. Now these are our examples for cone shape object. Okay, cone shape object. Now if you are ready, please take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Please take your notebook. If you have space in the same page, you can write there. Otherwise, you can use a new page. If you have space in the same page, you can use there. Otherwise, you can use the next page. Okay. Now let us see the corn shape. Now the second figure, only these two. It's very simple, no? CONE, corn. The second one, okay? What is the spelling? CONE, corn. CONE, corn. JCB, right? The second one, CONE, corn. Now, what is the shape of a birthday cap? Dean, what is the shape of a birthday cap?
Corn.
Very good, very good. Now, Milena, what is the shape of a birthday cap?
Finish.
What is the shape of a birthday cap, Milena? Tell me answer. What is the shape of a birthday cap? Corn. Tell me the name. Corn.
Corn.
Then if I ask to say the spelling, you can say CONE, corn. Okay. Now let us draw the shape of a corn.
C.
It's okay. CONE. Very good, very good. Now let us draw the shape. All of you please draw the two sides of a triangle. Draw the two sides of a triangle. Now at the bottom we can draw a circle. At the bottom we can draw a circle. This is corn shape. Alan, please unmute and tell me, name one object having the shape of a corn. Name one object having the shape of a corn. Alan, I can't hear, my dear. Please unmute. Unmute the
Cap.
birthday cap. Very good. Alfie, tell me another object. Name of another object. Tell me name of other object. Another objects having the shape of a corn. Do you like ice cream? BIRTHDAY. Ice cream corn. Very good. BIRTHDAY. 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 Cap, C-A-P, cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday, cap, C-A-P, cap. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Birthday, cap, C-A-P, cap. Birthday, cap. Giovannia, you have completed? Yes. So let us write one more example. Ice cream cone. I-C-E. Ice cream. C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. So birthday cap is an example. Ice cream cone is also an example for cone shape objects. So today we discuss solid shapes and we have discussed two shapes. One is cube, another one is cone. Cube and cone. These two spelling, cone and cube, you have to write and study 5 times in the rough book. Okay. It's very simple. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Another one, C-O-N-E, cone.
Emmanuel finished.
Okay, good, good. Very good, very good.
Emmanuel finished.